Hi, today's video will talk about how to get money off Instagram. Watch until the end of the video to learn all you need to know. Instagram has various monetizable tools that you can use to earn money as a content creator or business owner. Once you meet the minimum balance amount in your Instagram account, you can request a payout. Here's how to do it. Log in to Instagram, go to instagram.com or launch the Instagram app on your mobile device. Log in with your username or email and password. If you have multiple accounts, choose the one you wish to withdraw money from. Access withdrawal option, click on the three dots at the top right side of the home page. Select the withdraw funds option. Choose withdrawal method, choose your preferred withdrawal method. You can execute a card withdrawal or a bank transfer. Indicate amount, indicate how much you want to take out. Confirm transaction, confirm the transaction. So, there you have it. With these simple steps, you can withdraw funds from your Instagram account. Thanks for watching. Until next time.